Hey there, fellow traders. In a world where the financial markets are a vast ocean of possibilities, trading can be both a thrilling adventure and a rewarding intellectual challenge. It's like a complex puzzle, where the pieces constantly change shape, and it's our job to adapt and fit them together. For many of us, it's not just about the profits, but also the joy of learning, the excitement of the chase, and the satisfaction that comes from making smart, informed decisions. Even with different strategies, we're all in the same boat, facing the intricacies of market forces, the unpredictability of global events, and the strategies of those ever-present market makers who constantly shape and redefine the trading landscape. Now, whether you're a seasoned trader who thrives on this energy, or a curious newcomer ready to take on the challenge, having the right tools in your arsenal is key. That's why today, we're excited to introduce you to a unique ally in your trading journey, the Advanced Liquidations Heatmap Indicator. It's a nifty tool that visually maps out market liquidations, and sheds light on the strategies of market makers, giving traders an edge in understanding potential price shifts. By comparing the positions of market makers versus retail traders, you gain insight into potential price shifts. Places with high accumulation might just be where market makers see big profits, guiding their next moves. Picture it like this: you're placing a trade in the futures market. If you're leveraging, there's something called a liquidation point. Hit that. Your money is gone. We know from experience how that feels. We've been there. We've done that when we first started trading. And you're not alone in this game. There's a high chance others are losing money at the same spot in the chart, or near it. This is often where market makers make a lot of profit. Don't get me wrong, they're not villains, the market wouldn't even exist without them. But they do scoop up available liquidity to keep things running smoothly. It's just how the game works. A quick heads up, in our modern digital world, we're up against super smart AI trading algorithms. They're puppeteers, guiding traders to believe the market is moving in one direction, then quickly reversing. It's about psychology. These smart algorithms manipulate effectively, targeting lucrative liquidations. They especially target those liquidation points. The Advanced Liquidations Heatmap reveals where liquidity is most concentrated on the charts, spotlighting market makers' key profit zones. Let me show you how to get the indicator, set it up, and provide examples for how it works with Bitcoin as our prime candidate. Let me demonstrate my most basic setup for this demo. It contains just 2 instances of the indicator. Check out the options. As you can see, there are many choices available. However, don't be intimidated, the default settings with a few tweaks work well. I'd like to take this opportunity to show you the variety of themes we offer. Now, let's return to the charts, where all the action takes place. We're currently in replay mode to demonstrate how to use the indicator effectively. Before we proceed, let's see how you can obtain the indicator. Please visit huntergatherers.tech. It might be challenging to read in this video, but it says huntergatherers.tech in the address bar. The full name of the indicator is Advanced All Markets Liquidations Heatmap. It's termed All Markets because it doesn't rely on data that's behind a paywall, unlike some other indicators available. Let's dive in and explore how to use this indicator for trading, and what to watch for. As you can see, I've marked an area of interest in yellow. Depending on the theme, the color that denotes the highest liquidation area may vary, so make sure you take note of that. I'll press play to see what happens next. Just in case, I've spotted another area nearby, that's the second most interesting. Let's mark that as well. I'll add a question mark to indicate that it's less likely to be hit. Press play. As you can see, both areas were taken. Take profit is recommended at this point. Any traders with high leverage shorts positioned below have been liquidated. Their money has now moved to other traders' accounts. Fortunately, we were running longs here, so it's good news for us. Let's move this question mark to the most interesting area above. Note we are far away from it and breakout is not confirmed yet. Huge retrace right there. This can happen after a lot of liquidations are hit in a direction. But now we see another area of interest to the upside. And let us add an X above. We are close to the first zone. I would expect it to go a bit down, then up. Nope, it went straight to it. Some leftovers remain. Taken. Let's see what's next. I'll move the question mark up here. And let's also add a line, we will need it later. First zone almost recovered, but not fully. Let's jump out of replay mode, to see where they reached the next zone of interest. We marked it earlier with a line. Here it is, the question mark we added earlier next to the line. Let's see how long we should have waited for that zone to be taken. That is more than 2 days, as you can hopefully see. That, my friend, is a long time to wait for some traders. If you are scalping, our recommendation is to trade towards these zones. Constantly cut your losses and remember to take profit as you go. That's all for this demo. We can move on to live trading now. This live trade session actually took 23 minutes in real time, so we've sped it up. As you can see, we are live, not in replay mode. We are marking areas of support and resistance, and patterns we see in the chart. We are scalping the 10 seconds chart here, the indicator works with any time frame. We are trading away from a W formation below, giving us an additional confluence for our trade. As you can see, we are constantly considering alternate scenarios, to step out of the trade if necessary. Now, we see a move that could continue and potentially spike higher. There we have it. The zone of interest was taken. While it's not visible here, we had a bit of a blooper during this live session. We were searching for the smiley face for what felt like forever. Hope this is clear enough so you can jump in and do your own trading session with the indicator. Other tools exist, but many don't mesh with TradingView or offer real-time insights. And notably, they come with a much heftier price tag. Why have another window open to show liquidations, when everything can be displayed in real time, directly in TradingView? Plus, we ensure customization of colors and settings for a seamless chart integration. What's our goal? You might be wondering at this point. Not to sell dreams. Trading is a skill, magic wands don't exist. Some might promise you the moon, with those 100% win rate indicators. But, to be honest, They're so intent on selling their product that they often exaggerate the gains you can achieve with it. What is our goal with the indicator? To arm you with the tools for more informed decisions. Always remember, just like the traders who inspired this indicator, you're in the driver's seat, and protecting your capital should be a top priority. A big shout out to the professional traders who inspired this indicator's creation. Their insights were invaluable. We can't name them, but they know who they are. So, a huge thank you. Now, just like you call the shots on when to trade, or sit it out, it's totally up to you. See if this indicator vibes with you. And remember, you can cancel your subscription anytime you want. Have a nice day, and make sure to check out the links in the video description below. And always prioritize safe trading. Keep in mind, trading is a game of psychology, not mere guesswork or a gamble. Prioritize risk management above all else.